In primetime news this evening, PAHO report reveals shocking details surrounding baby deaths at Victoria Jubilee Hospital last year. Government entities campering to check on SSL investments after recent fraud. And Financial Investigation Division and Fraud Squad to meet as SSL probe intensifies.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. There's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about remittances. They've declined at the end of November 2022. And I'll have more from the Bank of Jamaica later in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, Jordan Fort. He's also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, too many teams. That's the cry from PFJL chairman Chris Williams as he has called on the JFF to reduce the number of clubs in the nation's top flight football competition. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Thanks, Jordan. And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, we do have weaker winds expected over the next few days, but otherwise, nothing significant is changing in the weather patterns across the area.
I guess that's a good thing, right?
Is it? Yeah.
Now, before the break, we'll go to our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the PAHO report on the Victoria Jubilee Hospital?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.